back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this creative like profile picture edit on CapCut PC. Now you can also use this with videos. So copy and paste your photo or video, go to cutout, select auto cutout on the second video or photo, select the first track here, select mask and select circle. You can use any shapes you want, but I'm just going to select the circle one. Then select the other one. Actually, I'm just going to put this down just a little bit, like here. Select the second bit and then select mask and select circle again, and you're going to place that there. Oops. Select both and you're just going to move it up a little. Go to library and you can add in like a color or like a white stock video underneath. Just going to add this one. Go to mask and select circle and adjust it, and I'm also going to move this up a little so it's kind of in the middle, like so. And I'm just going to put this in the main track so that I can select this and I can add in a canvas for the background, like that. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!